Hi guys, in this lecture we'll be talking about calculating the number of 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree carbon atoms in a given compound, as well as we'll see how to calculate the degree of hydrogens also in any given compound. Okay, so let us start this. So let's suppose I have any given compound like this. Mm. Or and is substituted with oxygen atom, and it has this thing also. One carbon is also there. So how do we calculate the number of 1 degree hydrogen atoms here? So number of 1 degree hydrogen atoms is nothing but how many hydrogen atoms are there which are directly attached to number of 1 degree carbon atoms. Okay, so how many number of 1 degree carbon atoms are there? We need to calculate that. So number of 1 degree carbon atoms here are only one, which is this one. So how many hydrogens are attached to this carbon? 1, 2 and 3. So number of 1 degree hydrogen atoms are 3. So these all 3 are 1 degree hydrogen atoms. Okay, when I say calculate how many number of 2 degree hydrogen atoms are there, so for calculating how many number of 2 degree hydrogen atoms are there, we just need to calculate how many carbon atoms are there which has 2 degree, right? So how many number of carbon atoms are there which are having degree 2, right? So if we talk about this carbon atom, it has degree 2, this carbon atom also, this carbon atom also, and this carbon atom also. So the number of hydrogen atoms attached to this carbon is 2, similarly 2, similarly 2, 2. So 2 into 4, number of 2 degree hydrogen atoms are 8. If I want to count how many number of 3 degree hydrogen atoms are there, so number of 3 degree hydrogen atoms means how many number of carbon atoms are there which are having degree 3. So we have to calculate how many number of 3 degree carbon atoms are there. So how many 3 degree carbon atoms are there in this compound? I'll just draw this compound again for clarity purpose. So this was our compound. How many 3 degree carbon atoms are there? So this is the only 3 degree carbon atom present in the compound. So it has one substituted H. So this is a 3 degree hydrogen atom, right? So number of 3 degree hydrogen atom is 1. Okay, so let us now do some exercises on calculating the degree of carbon atoms in the given compounds. Okay, so we have compound 1 degree carbon, 2 degree carbon, 3 degree carbon, or 4 degree carbon. Okay, so we have a compound something like this. We don't have a benzene here. So let's say we have a compound like this. Oh, let me draw this complete structure with a different pen. Okay, yeah, so we have something like this. So how many number of 1 degree carbon are there? 0, 2 degree, all 6 are 2 degree, 3 degree 0, 4 degree 0. We have structure like this. How many 1 degree carbon atoms are there? The end carbon atoms are all having degree of 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so the answer would be 4. Just a second, 4. Okay, how many 2 degree carbon atoms are there? 2 degree carbon atoms are all the atoms which have 1 or which have 2 adjacent carbon atoms attached to it. So how many 2 degree carbon atoms are there? Again 2 plus 2, again directly write 4. How many 3 degree carbon atoms are there? 0. How many 4 degree carbon atoms are there? 1, the middle one. has 4 carbon atoms directly attached to itself. Take a look at this example. How many 1 degree carbon atoms are there? 0. How many 2 degree are there? All the 6. 0 and 0. What about this? How many 1 degree carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many 2 degree are there? 1. And is there anything? Are there anything left? No. So 1. How many 3 degree carbon atoms are there? 1 and 2. How many 4 degree carbon atoms are there? Only 1. Okay. So let us take some few more examples here. Okay. So the fifth one is how many 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree carbon atoms are there in this compound? So the answer would be number of 1 degree compounds are there, number of 2 degree compounds are, just have a look at this. This is these all carbon atoms having a degree of 2, right? So the 2 degree carbon atoms here are 4 plus 4, 8. How many 3 degree carbon atoms are there? The middle two ones, right? So that gives us answer 2. Number of 4 degree 0. The last example we are going to see is this one. So I'll take it a simple example only. So what about this compound? So the number of 1 degree carbon are clearly 0. Number of 2 degree are all the 3 degree 0, 4 degree 0. Okay, so this completes our section on calculating the degree of a compound. So in the next lecture we'll be seeing what is a homologous series, what are different functional groups, and so on. Okay, bye bye.